What you need is an LLC typically is what I recommend. Um, I don't know all the details behind why you need an LLC, except for that my accountant says it saves me a lot of money in taxes. So set up an LLC. It should cost you $70. Uh, Attorneys might tell you differently, but you can just go set it up with just a very minimum articles of incorporation that just basically say this is what the business name is, this is the state where it exists, and it's about $70 the last time I set one up, I think is what it costs. I actually have the links to the pages where you go do this, Dave.
So you have a lot of different companies under you. Do you set up separate LLCs for each, or do you set up one LLC and have different DBAs? Like how do you set it up?
So I have one LLC. We have a company called Robbins International LLC. And then anytime we set up a DBA, we just set it up as the parent being that LLC. And it's actually really easy to set up a DBA. I think it costs like $20 to set up. Is that did you set it up $22? So anyway.
So you don't set up a separate LLC for every online business?
No, I just report all my taxes under my parent LLC. If I were to do that, we have more business ideas and stuff than we have time for, and so oftentimes if we have a new business idea, we'll just go register a domain and kind of incubate it a little bit. In fact, one of them that I'll share today is called customvinylnicor.com. It's actually Maylee's website. She's building and selling vinyl decorations and stuff. Maylee and Spencer. Yep. And so we just set up a DBA, and then the parent company that we report all our taxes through is our LLC. And our accountant says that works, so we're just trusting that it does. We use Hoffman and Company in Orem, and they do a good job. So Utah State Sales Tax License, they're glad to give you this. A lot of people say, well, how much does that cost? And up front, it costs nothing, but just like anything else with the government, on the back end, they really hit you hard. The next thing is you also need a federal tax ID, which is also called an EIN, or employer identification number. And so those are the essentials of setting up business entities. You can actually do all of them. The first two you can do through utah.gov, and the last one you just do through irs.gov.